friend, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to play Last of the Mohicans music on our flute. Okay, so this is an easy one, but I think this is this one is goes on original scale, and this one is easy to play on your double G flute. Okay, so I hope you guys will learn easily how to play this one through this video. And before I'm going to the video, I need to say, I'm sure you have heard this in that music, that pressure. Okay, so if you want to play that music beautifully, you also have to use that technique. It basically, we use our stomach when we blow that to give that pressure, like we use our stomach. Okay, we give pressure using our stomach, not like it goes with your stomach. Okay, right, I hope you guys will understand what I'm saying. And so let's get started. Before we move into the tutorial part, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this, and the notation you can get it from my blog, link in the description. So, and also actually this whole part has main two phrases. Okay, only two phrases, so this one is kind easy. Only you need to repeat that both phrases one by one. So let's see how to play this song. Before I'm going to tutorial part, I will show you it before playing. Okay, so it's kind of hard when you use that technique because it's using your stomach and blowing hard, so it's little bit hard to play, but let's learn how to play this. Okay, so first line goes like okay, ma ma ga re dha re ma ga ma pa. Okay, so when you play ga re dha, you need to use that pressure. Okay, ma ga re dha re ma ga ma pa, and the end of pa, you know, we play that pa for little time. When you end of that, you need to just scroll your flute toward you. Okay, like to get that lowness. I will show you one more time. Like that, and then ma pa dha pa ma ga ma pa ga ma Ga start with re, okay? One more time. Ma pa dha pa ma ga ma pa ma ga ma re ga ma ga re, okay? Ga ma ga re. So basically it goes like re ga ma ga re, re ga ma ga re, like that. Yeah. One more time, that whole part. Repeat that whole part for 2 times, okay? And then ma ga re sa dha. One more time. Ma ga re sa dha. And then same notes. Ma ga re sa dha. First time we stopped at lower dha, and second time we stopped at middle dha. Okay, like this. Okay, and then ma pa dha pa ma ga ma pa ga ma re. Same as the first part, okay? We play this line in the first part also, so same line, okay? That's why I told you this one is repeating same lines, okay? That's it, guys. You need to repeat it both lines one by one. Just make sure to listen to the original music and then follow this notation. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video and will learn to play this beautiful music through this video. So if you find this video helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video and comment what you think about this video. So let's meet in another tutorial video. Until that, keep playing, keep practicing. Thank you for watching.